Hey, it's your boy Joey. Here in the camper again, and we're doing some major changes. I changed my mind after the last video because my measuring things and actual putting it together didn't work out as well as planned. As you can see, the fridge is still there. You might be able to see there's nothing here. We got the counter in front of the big door or window. It's not exactly how I wanted it. The window was up higher, it'd be a lot cooler, but whatever. Because of the wheel well, we got a lot of wasted space, so gonna deal with that eventually, build custom stuff. We got the couch over here, computer over here, and then this side, wish I had a wider angle lens. We're going to redo this. Like, that's broken, because this is this way. The one to the bedroom doesn't get much heat going to it. We're gonna set up the fuel container better. We're probably gonna stick it right here. We're gonna get this set up a little nicer. Eventually, I'm going to redo all the outlets, the real outlets. I want to work on this, but I'm probably not going to today. I'm just going to build a cabinet up there and hide everything. I may still do that because I could build a little thing, but I don't know. Electrical needs a lot of work. But the sink is probably going to go back right here. Oven right here. I got to find out where this can go down. And that will dictate where the stove oven's gonna go. That's gonna come back because I want to do more cooking, and it's what I got right now. I think Sydney might be moving in, and I want more than one burner and that one little, where is it? This $20 piece of junk is a piece of junk. Can't really fry things up. Doesn't work well with my cast iron pans either. So yeah, I'm gonna get to work on this. I might have to go to the store, buy some tools or fittings. I think I have all the fittings I need. Because I was smart, put them all in one spot. But I need the thing to pull these off. And I'm not sure where mine went. Because I want to pull this one off, put an L, go all the way down, pull this one off, put a cap on it. Because I got this bad boy right here, nice cap that I could pull off and put that thing on. And I'm thinking I'm gonna build this into a shower because it's not a great space. It's where the couch bed was originally, and underneath the couch bed was the water tank. If you look right here, underneath all this garbage, there's the hole for the drain and stuff, and the heater hose goes along there. So I think if I build a little thing covering all that stuff along the wall, just make the rest of it a shower, maybe a little step, I don't know. We got options, lots of them. Oh, that's the wires that went into this cabinet to wire these up. I got a wire. They're poking out of here somewhere. These ones? I don't know. Somewhere. So I gotta fix that. I gotta connect those up because apparently with them disconnected, the bedroom doesn't get 12 volt power. So we got a little bit of work. Today, I wanna get the heater done, I wanna get the sink done, and I wanna get the stove back in here. And then chill, because in 2 days I start my new job at Amway, Tuesday night, technically Wednesday morning at like 1:30. And yeah, we'll go from there. When I can finally afford the stovetop that I'm looking at, it'll be just a stove. This bad mamma jamma will get switched out with a really nice one. And yeah, we'll go from there. So yeah, I'm gonna get working on this, and we'll catch up to you later. I'm gonna listen to some podcasts, and yeah. I want to build a bookcase too. for all the cookbooks. That would be really cool. But I don't know. And I don't like how this is. There was something I wanted to put there. Oh yeah, I wanted to put a thing here, build like a little armrest, and then make this part of the kitchen. Put this is my little end table, put it down there. Build little shelves for the rear speakers up here and over here. And yeah, but anyways, that's getting ahead of things. Yeah, I'm gonna get to work and catch up with you a little bit. Update for you. Plumbing's all gotta be done better, that's it for sure. Sink is in. It is too high right now. Just barely hitting the light. I can drop it about another inch, but I got some plumbing in. It's all running, nothing's leaking. So we're happy about that. Yeah, I think if I drop it to here, we should be El Perfecto. We're gonna build a little stand for the oven right here. And yeah. Then it'll be time to do some cleanup. But yeah, we're almost there. And then I gotta figure out some other stuff. Another countertop shelf thing over here for pans and to clean dishes after I wash them and stuff. I don't know. Still got some work to do, but we're getting there. This filled like this feels a lot better. This setup feels a lot better. Could be cleaned up better, but I don't have money to buy the stuff I need, so I'm just using what I got. And yeah, fuel tank over there feels better. I don't know what else. So I'm gonna get back to work on this, and we'll update you in a little bit. All right, so we got all the propane lines hooked up. This is leaking somewhere. Like I don't see any bubbles. I can tell you that this valve here doesn't work, because if this is unhooked and it's on this side, it just shoots all the way through. So that's why this is on, hooked up, and it's closed. I got 3 tanks right now. This one is mostly full. Maybe it's this? I don't know. But there's a slow leak somewhere. Cough is from breathing in all the insulation. Gross. But anyways. Yeah. So, let me squirt some more in here. It's usually pretty obvious when there's a leak. Yeah, I am not seeing anything. Maybe I fixed it. Maybe this one just wasn't on all the way, because I've only been using this one because it's the easier one to pull out. Yeah. We're gonna go inside, give you the dirty tour, and I'm gonna clean up and relax. Now this all gotta get cleaned up, obviously, and this. See, there's a lot of crap everywhere still. But we have Michael. The sink. Oh. Yeah. Move you. Put you back to on. Okay. That's all the water lines. So cold water. Get all the air out of there. And is it getting hot? Feels like it. It's 81. Yeah, there we go, it's going up. Hot water. Obviously the sink setup's gotta be changed. The stove. Nope. This one. Come on, baby, you can go. Maybe not. But let me turn the wrong thing. Can I do it? Nope, I gotta stop. But you can see the nice flame there. And over here, come. Boom. Nice big old flame-o. All three work. It's awesome. It's not level. Yeah. Decisions. And then the plan is I do need to get this vented more properly. What I will probably do is go from this, make a nice little 90, and a 90 out through here, which is the original hood vent for the stove, and get a hood vent for the stove and make that all work. With the way I modified this, we can now turn this every which way. It needs to be attached better. I got plans for that. The fancy pants thing under there doesn't like how it is right now. So here, I would like to create some custom shelves. Sydney has a countertop I can probably have, but just for a little example, even something like this has a cutout for the gas thing there, and then build a box around the heater and the heater stuff. This will be pretty sweet. That's gonna be done another day. It's late, I'm tired, wanna chill. I gotta do some regular cleanup again. I pretty much like how this is. This thing mostly keeps this place warm enough. Oh, I see what happened there. I hit the stop button. I went to plug this baby in. She works. Here's the current thermostat. There's a fancy one I want to buy. Comes from Australia, some dude makes them. Enables Wi-Fi, enables work more like a house thermostat instead of this is just on off, high low. But yeah. The silver line goes to the bedroom. This one comes out right here. We gotta run this a little better, but it works. Heats this place up. This thing mostly keeps it warm. Oh, it's a diesel heater, so that's my diesel tank. I gotta figure something out better eventually, but for now that works. Yeah. I got some ideas, but we'll see. And yeah. It's kind of late, so I'm gonna shut you down. I'm gonna go do a little bit of cleanup, eat some food, I don't know. But yeah, hot water, hot stove, the oven works. Toaster oven, microwave, computer, lounge area, kitchen, big ass refrigerator. Probably gonna be some sort of shower, I think. I don't know. But I'm out of here. Peace out.